So I've been thinking a lot lately. How can I turn my art I love into something I can make a living from it? I've spent years creating, drawing, painting, making videos just for fun, but now I actually want more. So today, I decided we're gonna be starting to learn how to earn money as an artist, as a side hustle using Printify. Isn't just me, or do you also wait until you're finally good at something before you even start? Honestly, that's where I've been so wrong. Because if you wait for things to be perfect, you might end up like me. So the truth is, you don't have to be good at your art right away to start selling. You just need to start. Waiting until you're good enough only delays your progress. The more you create and share, the more you improve. No one starts out perfect, you know? We all grow by just doing it. So sometimes I even ask myself, what am I doing within these past few years? I still don't have my own shop. I haven't started selling my art prints. Maybe I've just been too afraid, waiting to be perfect before I put myself out there. And maybe the only thing that always holding me back was all just me. So I just created my Etsy account today and I was finally made some progress to it. But the problem is having an actual inventory, like having some expensive printers and all the things that I need to pack and ship a product. But thankfully, you can actually sell without having all that with Printify. So for those who don't know, Printify is a print-on-demand platform that connects user with the printing partners to create and sell custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, mugs, and posters. So basically, Printify simplifies all the processing like designing, printing, and the shipping products directly to the customer. So there's no need for you to have your own inventory, which is great for a solo business owner. So, since I don't really have my own inventory to start a business, Printify is I think the best option to sell your own product without handling all the things you need to start a business. So they do the printing, packing, and the shipping for me. And it's a simple way to start selling without all the stress. So if you're an artist and if you don't have all the necessary things you need to start selling your art, Printify is a great place to begin with that I would recommend. Okay, for the step 3, start with small paintings. When I first thought about selling my art, to be honest, it's kinda overwhelming. I always overthink about what should I sell or where do I even start? What if no one buys it? It felt like it was too much. But then, I realized something. I didn't have to make something big, you know? I could literally start with small. So for me, if you focus on paintings, start with gouache because they were cheaper than oil paint and they were easier to use than oil paint. So starting small doesn't mean you're thinking small. It means that you're giving yourself a chance to grow without all the pressure. So if you're just starting out and if you're overwhelmed by making something big, just begin with the small because that could be the start of everything, you know? For the past few years, I actually sold a few of my original pieces. But here's what I realize. Every time I sell one, now it's gone. But not in total because I also earn by accepting some commission in that time. So yeah, it's kinda stressful. And that's the sad truth about being an artist. So that's why I'm starting to stop relying on the original paintings by turning my art into prints so I could sell it over and over again using Printify. So thankfully, I did not sell a few of them, so probably I will add them to my Etsy shop soon. So lastly, take your time. So as someone like me who's new to the business side of things, handling everything by myself isn't really ideal. So since I'm also a content creator, doing all this work can get pretty stressful. It takes time to learn everything you need to know to start selling your art. As a full-time YouTuber, I can't really manage it all alone. So that's why having someone to help you out can make a huge difference. But if you're an introvert like me, just go with your own pace and that's okay. It might take some months to open your own business, but at least you're making some progress. And when you're finally ready to share your work, you can always rely on Printify to make the process so easy. So yeah, that's it folks. I hope you enjoyed the video as usual. And a big thanks to Printify for making this possible.